Hello, John, and welcome again to this version of tutorial where we are going to be talking about the inputs with a type of checkboxes. So I know maybe some of you are not familiar with this type of input, and you have been thinking what is checkboxes and stuff. Well, you have been using it if you have been signing up for any form of form online, you have been registering for some of courses online, you have probably seen it before, but maybe you just don't know what is the actual name of it. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the input field of checkboxes and how you are going to be using them in your future tutorials, in your future, uh, not tutorials actually, I mean in your future projects. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do here is to open a new folder. Definitely from here, I can just open a new folder and name it maybe checkbox. Perfect. And I can just open up this folder inside my code editor, which in my own scenario, I'll be using VS Code. I also advise you also to check it out because it's one of the very, very good code editor out there. So inside the VS Code, I can just click here and type my index.html. So to create my HTML file, and I should definitely close this one also. So the next thing I'm doing is Shift and 1, which is going to be Command and 1 from your own side to bring out this template. Then I can just click on enter. So I don't need to change the title. All I need here is to just add my input, which we are going to be treating. And instead of the type to be equals to uh, text, I'm going to check the type to be equals to checkbox, probably, and then value of, let me say, color, and then name also to be equals to. I'm adding what do you call it, attribute to it. So now let's check it out inside our browser what we actually have. So now I can just copy and paste in here, enter, and you can see a checkbox here. So and then you already know this is a checkbox if you have familiar with it, but maybe you have a type of, probably let me add a label to it, and let me just enclose them inside a label, and then maybe terms, and in the inside here I can just probably cut this, and I can just say I agree with your terms and conditions. Perfect. So now I should probably change the all the remaining things also here, including the color, the value. I've changed it to terms, probably terms and condition, but I'm just going to be using the terms only because the main actual aim of this tutorial is to show you how to use it. So I can go to my browser and refresh. So whenever you come here and click on I agree with this terms and condition, with your terms and condition, and you click on submit button, that's how it works. Now I believe you are familiar with this. The only difference is the type. The main important thing you need to change here is the type. So by default, every input comes with a type of text. So you just need to change it to the type you want. Now we are wanting checkboxes, which will enable the user to be able to select and unselect whether the person agree with our terms and condition or not. If you really like this video, I will suggest you subscribe because I'm going to like it's going to be the one of the best motivation for me out there. See you in the next one. Bye bye.